everybody, this is April Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, this is going to be a guest bedroom clean and decorate with me. The first portion of this vlog, I will be cleaning. The second portion of this vlog, I will be decorating with the new bedding and curtains that I introduced to you all in my Amazon Home Essentials vlog. If you have not yet watched that vlog, I will link it right here to the video. I will also link it down below in the description box. All right, let's go ahead and get into the vlog. finished the room. It is finished for the day. It is not 100% completed, but I do feel like just installing these curtains and the bedding, I feel like this has really brought the room out like way more. I mean, compared to what it looked like at the start of the video, or even if you go back some videos back, and I probably will link those videos to this video when I first decluttered this room and the room was all the way empty. It was just the furniture and the bed. Compared to what it looked like before to now, like, I'm really surprised. I'm really amazed just what curtains and bedding could do to a room. So these are the colors that I'm going for spring and summer in here. As you can see, this room is a small room, so I wanted to go with light colors for spring and summer, so that the room would not look smaller than what it is, and it just brightens up the room. I really love this. Comment down below and let me know what you think of it. Adding some pillows to the bed, like some smaller pillows to go across. Either I'm gonna do smaller pillows or some more full-size pillows to the bed. So I'll just have to play with it and see. But I'm definitely not done with this room. I still have things that I want to put on my dresser over here. I want to add some decor over there, and then the dresser over here, I want to add some decor here. Eventually I want me and my husband to get a TV to put in here, and so forth. I mean, we really don't have company. We don't have company that come and stay with us, but this is considered our guest bedroom in our house. This is an extra bedroom for us, and I just want to make this bedroom comfortable, just as comfortable and beautiful as our master bedroom. And I'll be taking y'all into our master bedroom because it's some pieces that I want to add to that room as far as decor as well. So y'all gonna end up seeing pretty much every room in my house. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all that. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And to my brand new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I see that you all have came and joined me over here on my channel. I truly appreciate it. And to my already subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to support me and watching my videos. I love it when you all comment. Again, I hope you all really enjoyed this vlog. Please enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you all have a good week, a blessed week, and I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye.